Today we're going to be showing you how to make a swimming pool at the beach. First, you're going to want to find a spot in the sand next to a small stream. We've got one here, so we're going to mark off a place that's a little ways away and start digging a hole. First, mark off your circle, then begin digging your hole.
So that's not happening.
It's misting, because I mean,
honestly, you don't really need a stream.
as you're removing the sand, throw it in a pile, making a ridge around the outside of your pool. Once you get down to sea level, you will find water underneath the sand. You'll notice that as you try to shovel the wet sand, it gets harder and harder to shovel it. If you get too close to the edge, it'll start collapsing, which just keeps making the hole bigger.
I'm standing out there with traffic.
The pool looks like it's deep enough. Now we're going to begin digging the trench. As you dig the trench, you're going to want to put the sand on the lower side of the trench to build a little wall for it.
I won't bring it down.
The last two parts are to dig a canal out of the pool area. And then finally connect it with the water source.
Okay.
Now, block off the rest of the water by creating a dam to divert all the water into the pool.
Stabilize this part of the wall.
After water starts flowing into the pool, be prepared for the walls to start collapsing in.
Should we make the opening bigger, Dad?
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Time for some jumps in the pool. And make sure to subscribe and watch more Minnesota cold and how-to videos of ours.